Hey, Steve Gadsby here for Furnace USA, and if you live in Cheney, Washington, here in Spokane County, we can get you a quote for your furnace today. Getting a quote for HVAC equipment can be a frustrating and time-consuming experience. What we're trying to do here at Furnace USA is to give you a great experience, make it fast, make it convenient to your schedule, and make it enjoyable. So here's the normal experience people get when they're getting an HVAC quote. They get a whole bunch of people to come out to their place that they found on Google, they found on the Yellow Pages, they found in various different ways, and they get them to all come to their place. So you get some people showing up late, some people showing up not at all, some people telling you they can't make it that day or they got to make it the next day. Of the ones that do show up, sometimes the customer experience isn't the greatest. They walk through their place, they look around, they measure a couple things, they take a Jiffy marker, they write a price on a piece of paper, they hand it to you. There wasn't a lot of value added for them even coming to your place. So your time is not well spent, and you could have been doing something that you wanted to do. So here's the goal. Here's how we want to make it different for Furnace USA. We want to make it as easy as we possibly can. So the first step is you can schedule your own appointment. You don't need to phone a number. You don't need to wait on hold. You can actually schedule your own appointment to get a quote right on this YouTube video. So if you look below in the description, it says schedule here, and you can just click that button and that'll open up our scheduling program. You can schedule your own appointment when it's convenient to you. So once you do that and you type your information, we actually will do some research onto your house and your property. So we'll look at publicly available information, we'll find out a bit about your home so that we know what we're looking at before we give you a quote. On the actual appointment time, we can either give you a call on the phone, or if you have a smartphone, we can just communicate with you through the smartphone, and you can show us a couple things. You can look around the house, you can show us a couple things. So either one on the phone, or you can do it on a smartphone, a tablet, a computer. So we make it as easy as we can. We don't waste your time. We don't need to come to your place. We can if you want to, but we don't need to. And we just make it as easy as possible to give you a quote over the phone. So if you're looking for a quote for your HVAC equipment, give Furnace USA a call, or even easier, go in the description below and schedule your own appointment for a quote. Thank you.